Hello, thanks for joining us. In this video, we will discuss the Petrol Strimmer brush cutter. This incredible piece of equipment is designed to cut long grass, lawns, weeds and undergrowth, and it's ideal for reaching seemingly inaccessible places. It runs off a 4-stroke petrol engine and comes with a choice of heads and an attachable harness for easy use. Blades, cords and attachments are available at hss.com. When using the Petrol Strimmer, we advise that you wear full PPE. This includes safety gloves, goggles, ear defenders and steel toe cap work boots. HSS does not supply fuel, but petrol cans and PPE can be purchased at checkout. You should place the machine on firm level ground and check fuel and oil levels to get started. Next, fit the harness over both shoulders and ensure the pad lies on the top of your thigh. You should adjust the straps until the saddle feels secure. To attach the cutter to the harness, attach the loop on the unit shaft to the spring-loaded hook. Once done, adjust the harness so that the cutter can be swung easily from side to side, with the cutting head just above ground level while standing normally. Once everything has been adjusted, disconnect the unit from the harness by pulling the red tab at the top of the hook. This can also be used if you need to detach the cutter in an emergency. To begin using the cutter, you'll need to slide the main control switch to the start position and set the choke to closed. Depress the safety lever and squeeze the throttle. Release the safety lever and throttle, grip the unit firmly with one hand and pull the cord 2 or 3 times until the engine starts. Once started, squeeze and release the throttle to set the engine to idle, then fully open the choke and allow the engine to warm up. If the engine does not start, adjust the choke to half open. With the engine running, clip the unit to the shoulder harness, making sure you are comfortable with it before approaching the work area. Be aware that loose stones or other debris may be thrown up, causing damage or injury, so it's essential to be mindful of your surroundings when using the strimmer. You must always use full throttle and hold the unit with both hands when operating the machine. When moving to cut a new work area, you should reduce the throttle and always switch off the machine when you are not strimming. Sweep the cutting head from left to right above ground level to produce an arc of about 30 to 40 degrees, moving forward as the ground is cleared. You should be mindful of your footing as you progress, and be aware of hard objects that may have been hidden by undergrowth. It would be best if you always cleared any loose debris or things in your way before attempting to cut the area. If you want to find out more or view our full range of gardening equipment, visit hss.com today.